Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muflih Gerian Saputra Siregar from Class B. I think that sign language should be taught in all schools as a regular subject because it significantly enhances cognitive development, improves communication skills, and promotes a more inclusive environment for every student. To begin with, learning sign language provides substantial cognitive advantage. Research indicates that sign language education enhances memory, spatial awareness, and multitasking abilities. Furthermore, studies demonstrate that students who learn sign language develop superior vocabulary retention, and reading comprehension skills. This phenomenon occurs because sign language offers a visual representation of abstract concepts, making them easier to comprehend and internalize. Additionally, sign language is a practical skill that enables communication in noisy environments or situations where speaking is not possible. Therefore, sign language is not merely a tool for deaf individuals, but a valuable educational resource that benefits every student's brain development and academic performance. Some people argue that schools already have overcrowded curricula, so adding sign language would reduce time for essential subjects like mathematics or science. They also claim that sign language is only relevant for a small minority of deaf students, making it unnecessary for the majority. However, this argument is groundless since sign language does not need to replace existing subjects. It can be integrated into language class or extracurricular activities without disrupting the core curriculum. In fact, small communities worldwide demonstrate the feasibility of this approach. For example, in Desa Kolok, a village in Bali, Indonesia, two-thirds of the villagers know the sign language, even though only 2% are deaf, and children acquire it naturally alongside their regular education. Similarly, in Adamarob, Ghana, the number of hearing signers is 10,000 the number of deaf individuals, proving that community-wide signing is sustainable and does not harm other learning areas. These examples refute the claim that sign language benefits only a minority. When all students learn sign language, communication becomes accessible and the school environment becomes genuinely inclusive. According to the World Health Organization, over 413 million people worldwide have hearing loss, a number projected to increase, making a sign language a useful skill that prepares students for a diverse world. Moreover than that, teaching sign language in schools fosters social inclusion and empathy among students. In communities where sign language is widely known, as deaf and hearing people communicate language freely, which reduces social isolation and strengthens community bonds. For instance, in Banhor, a village in Thailand, nearly all Hering families have a deaf neighbors and signing is common among everyone, creating a strong social connection and mutual respect. When schools teach sign language, students learn to appreciate different and develop respect for people with disabilities. This outcome is fundamental to the goal to the education to prepare students not only academically but also socially and emotionally. Who known sign language can help their deaf peers feel more included in class activities and social interaction, creating a school culture where every student feels valued and supported. Learning sign language is not just about acquiring a new skills. It is about building a more compassionate and equitable community where the diversity is celebrated rather than ignored. Therefore, it is essential that sign language can be included as a subject in the schools. The evidence clearly shows that sign language education enhances cognitive development and communication skill for all students. The counter-argument regarding limited time is invalid because sign language can be integrated without disrupting other subjects, and real-world examples from small communities demonstrate that this approach is practically and successful. Furthermore, teaching sign language promotes social inclusion, empathy, and respect for diversity for every student. By including sign language in the curriculum, schools can help students become a better communications, more empathetical individuals, and more prepared for a diverse world. This is a simple but meaningful step that can make a positive difference in the lives of all students.